Day trading live this morning. AXON. What a crazy stock. Really just crazy. That's all I can say about it is it's crazy. And I'm going to break it down, show you guys kind of the step-by-step process, what I was thinking, what I was doing this morning here. AXON, it's up over 150%. Also, I'm going to be giving away some of these new t-shirts. New t-shirts, what? I'm going to be giving away a couple of these t-shirts to some of my subscribers out there, some of the people who support me all the time, every time. But some of those people out there, I know the reals. You'll see how to win this t-shirt for free. All you need to do is just watch the video, and I'll talk about it later on in the video, kind of how you can enter to win this t-shirt. It's really simple. It's easy. You don't need to do anything crazy. You don't need to sign up for a website or anything like that. It's really, really simple. So make sure you stay tuned, not only to win one of these beautiful, high quality, just nice t-shirts. You can also learn about AXON and kind of what went down this morning live in this video. All right. All eyes on AXON this morning. AXON up there, that 370 area. Over 100% right now. 100%. Nothing I love more than a stock that's up 100% pre-market. I don't know. I honestly don't know about this stock. I don't know. You got to ask some questions to yourself. You have to ask the question is how much higher can this stock go? Maybe it goes all the way. 5,000%. Who cares? What's logic anymore? There's no more logic out there. People don't care. No. AXON, where are you going? You're going the wrong way. No. People said on stock tweets you were going to the moon. It's not going to the moon right now. What is happening? They promised me. They told me on stock tweets that this would go to the moon, and it's no longer going to the moon. I don't understand. I am so confused. Gapping up there from 182 up there to 372. So it's just all over the place. Let's see if this 340 area holds support here. I'm going to jump in there, 351, see if we can't push back up there. This is a quick one here. Taking it right there. Oh, nice. Nice little squeeze back. That's a nice little squeeze there. Up there to 375. Wow, I didn't really think we'd get that big of a pop, but that was nice. That was real nice. Still, I'm just not in love with this right now, this stock. It's not that I want this stock to go down. Not like, oh, I want this stock to go down because I want to talk about how it's going down because I called it out go down. But it's going down. And yeah, I mean, let's see. Let's just see what happens in this 340 area. I think maybe if this 340 area can hold here, might get a squeeze here. So you're going to have a lot of shorts that are piling in there, a lot of shorts. This area here, 370, 380s, going to be a lot of shorts that piled in there. There are shares to short here on AXON. So all those shorts, if this thing starts to squeeze and it gets up there near the, 380, 370 area again, this could really be a crazy type of move. You get a big, crazy squeeze. And I think that's kind of what happened here. You got this big pullback. So the shorts, maybe some shorts piled in here, after this kind of broke 347. So I'm thinking, some shorts probably jumped in here thinking this broke. And once this kind of bounced back, now you have, okay, shorts are like, okay, I'm getting out. It's holding. And that's why I got the squeeze up there at 375. So, big spike up there. All the shorts piling in there. I mean, it's pretty obvious when you see the tops of these candles. Look at this big wick there. Big wick. From 360 to 380. Well, what does that mean? It means there's a lot of shorts that are just piling in there because they see it's up 100%. The stock's up 100% pre-market, and there's a good chance there's going to be some profit taken. I mean, this stock moved from $1.70 up there to 372. There's got to be some profit taken. I promise you. Everybody who bought here this morning pre-market, they're taking profit, and obviously now this thing's definitely showing a lot of weakness here. This 330 area, you can see, let's see if this 330 area holds here. Oh, also today, big news, hit the bid, baby. We hit it. Every time I hit the bid, I'm just gonna go like this, hit the bid, hit the bid. Oh, you might be wondering, what are these beautiful t-shirts? Well, I've actually got some t-shirts made. They're actually really high quality, great t-shirts. None of that cheap stuff. This is premier fashion. I got a couple of these shirts made. I'm actually gonna give away a couple of these shirts to the subscribers, to the people who watch these videos, and then I'm going to sell a couple too. But first, I'm going to give them away. I'm going to build the hype up. I'm going to really make people want these shirts before I start selling them, to really jack the price up. Supply and demand. The supply is low. I've only got 50 of these shirts made. 50 shirts made. I'm going to sell them once we build that demand up. So let's build the demand, and then maybe I'll sell some. Maybe I won't. Maybe I'll just hold them here. So AOXN holding this 330 area. That's that previous support there. You can see that consolidation there earlier, holding that 330. Is it gonna bounce? Is it gonna get that ramp up? Like I said, if this thing can get above 370, it's gonna be madness, and there's gonna be a lot of shorts getting squeezed. So that's kind of what we're watching for right now. If this thing really starts to squeeze, it's gonna pull a VKTX kind of type of move, and it's just gonna go to the moon. I think we're at a fine line here. If this 350 area can hold now, if 350 can hold now, and we consolidate 350 area, this thing's gonna explode, and that's kind of the line in the sand right now. If it gotta hold that kind of 350 area, it's really gonna be a battle. The shorts aren't really winning until we get below this 330. If we get below 330, then I think it's game over, and the shorts are gonna win. So that's really the battle right here. You can see this first 5-minute candle, big red candle, breaking 330. We're going down. It's going down. So you have the support there. You got the VWAP, got the EMAs, that 330 area. It's got to hold. It's got to hold here for this to move. I mean, honestly, looking at this right now, it's kind of looking like some VKTX type crap where, it's holding this, consolidating at 333. Part of me thinks that we're going to see a squeeze here. I mean, just from what we've seen recently. That's what I'm thinking, personally. That's what I'm thinking. If we can get some buying pressure here, and this starts to squeeze, get the shorts out of there, we'll see. All right. Oh, let's go. Oh, 330. Is it shorts? Are they going to battle? It's good. Oh, they're battling. Look at that. Look at level 2 here. 330. It's battling. They're battling. Who's going to win? Who's going to win? It's so close. Oh, gosh. That is scary. That is the worst feeling when you're short and you see that support pop up there and you're like, just go through. Just crack. If I was a short now, I would just be screaming, break 330, break 330, break 330. Is it going to break? Volume kind of slowing down here. Kind of just leveling off these last 2 candles. A little bit more volume on this candle coming up here. Oh, there's a pushback. There's some pushback. You got some wicks on the bottom of these candles. And got some more body. So it's trying to push up here. I think we get above 350. It's really going to start some buy-in there. That 350 area. Get back above the EMAs there. Try to get filled here at 351. Oh, no. Let's see if we get a bit of a pullback down there to the 350s. Look for opportunity. I think we might get this ramp up here. Just not getting any pullback. This thing is going. It's like VKTX all over again. Look at this. Like I said, if it gets above 370 and 380s, we're getting a squeeze. Let's see what happens. We get that 370 area. See if we get a little bit of a bull flag there. You saw it. We talked about it live. Talked about this happening. The possibility of this. And there it is. Just like we talked about. All right, now seeing if we get a pullback here. This thing really just ramping up there. See if we get filled here at 375 on the dip. Getting filled here at 375. Big seller there. 380. Not liking that big massive seller there. I'm going to jump out 379. Oh, there's the breaks. So there's a big massive seller there at 380. You're getting eaten out. Squeeze in there. There's that move. Back up to the 390s now. Oh. It's pushing. Nice little pop up through the 390. There's just a lot of shorts that are sitting there. Okay, they're like, all right, we got to make this fail. This has to fail here. I want this to fail. They need it to fail badly, so that way you get that kind of double top area, and then you're going to have, people who jumped in on this dip buy for this push higher, they're taking profit, kind of like how I did. So it's just adding on to that selling pressure. So they're hoping they can hold this down, keep it below $4. They're trying. Oh, man. All right, 370 is going to be that support area. It's got to hold that 370. Keep this kind of flag intact here. Let's see. Nope, having some trouble there. So there's that. All the people are going to have their stop losses right there. All the people that bought this area, where do they have their stop losses at? 370 area, because they see this as support, and that's what you get, the little stop run there. A quick little drop down to the 363. This might just pop right back up there. You have the market makers who are basically watching that, and they see, okay, everyone's sitting right there. It's 370 area. They're sitting there, and they're, look at that. If this pops back up there, that's exactly what happened there. Oh, man. Just doing a little stop run there. They love doing that. Look at that. Market makers doing it dirty there. doing it dirty right there. That's all that was. Oh my. Just running stops right there and then just pick it right back up and ramp it up. You just saw it. You saw the market manipulation. That's what I call market manipulation right there. They knew all they needed to do was dip this below 370, get people stopped out, get some cheap shares, and then boom, run it back up there. Get moving here. I would have wanted this to see this get a new high of day, push up there towards the $4 area. But you can see it's just really battling right here. 380s, battle, battle, battle. And it's obviously we're gonna break out at some point here, but which way is it gonna break? Oh, it's getting so tight. Any moment now, we're getting a breakout. We're getting a break. We're getting a break. It's gotta go somewhere. It's gotta go. Look at this thing. It's like a perfect flag right now. Just literally just perfect. Look at it. It's just beautiful. There's the break. Oh, is it gonna do it right here? Oh, there. Look at it. That's what we needed. That big pop out of that breakout. So breaking the flag there, moving higher. Whew. All right, so there's the squeeze. This is what I was talking about. This is a squeeze. This is the squeeze that we were looking for. All those shorts getting squeezed there. Everybody who was short in this area, this would have been basically me, trying to short there. So it's kind of nice to sit back and not be getting squeezed right here on this squeeze. But look at that breakout. I think if this stock was up, 30, 40, 50% on the day, I'd feel a little bit better about it. But seeing that the stock is up over 130% right now, I'm like, I don't really want to get in on this thing for, I don't know. It's a couple of different reasons. Just not loving, that you're going to have all of these people here who bought this morning pre-market. All of this is going to be adding on to that selling pressure. People that bought here, you got that leg up. So you got this first leg that was kind of like boom, boom, boom. Okay, we consolidated. This was kind of that second leg. We consolidated this little bit of a pullback. And this is kind of, the third leg. So really now we're getting to the fourth leg. So I'm just not convinced, that obviously, sitting here watching it go to 420 now, all I'm thinking is like, wow, I definitely should have bought the dip there, bought this breakout, but I'm just not convinced. Of really, I think the best setup for me really today on this stock would have been if this thing wouldn't have ran up at all pre-market and then right at open, we'd have had a nice spike and move from there. And then it's like, okay, now this is fresh. Buyers are stepping in there. This is getting pushed higher. There's going to be support. But now it's just like, okay, now we're just getting to the point where this is getting crazy. And now we're up 140%. So now I'm thinking, there's going to be a lot of people who are just going to be taking profit. But wow, really, look at this. Just that breakout, this flag. This could be, take a picture of that. Take a picture of that flag, boys, because you can put on the wall as a definition of a bull flag there. 420. See, this is not what I like to see. They got to drop from 424 back down there to 404. So 20-cent drop there. Really, this thing starts selling. It's going to sell hard because everyone's going to be taking profit or they're going to be trying to jump out. Have shorts piling in there. This is a lot of eyes on this right now. A lot of people looking at this and, hoping for a big move. I just feel like at this point with AOXN, I would just be chasing it. And I'm trying to stay away from that life, that chasing life. I'm just trying to really look for some solid opportunities. And there's not always going to be, every single day, there's not always going to be solid opportunities. There's not going to always be just amazing opportunities every day. And, sometimes you just got to realize that and know that, you don't need to have a huge winner every day. $149 today, it's not bad. I've only been trading for 28 minutes now. And, if we don't get a big move today, it's okay. I'll survive. I'll live for another day here. But that's really what it comes down to, is just understanding that I don't need to trade and make a ton of money every single day. I really just need to just not lose any money, because I think that's what it comes down to, is if I don't lose money, and I go a couple of weeks of just small little winners and a couple nice solid winners, that really adds up. So if I have 5 days where every single day I make a minimum of $100, and then some days I make $400, $500, that's going to be beautiful, at the end of the month when this really adds up. But if I'm, taking $500 one day and then the next day I'm losing $500 and then, the next day I'm making $200 and then I'm losing, $1,000, that's really just, it's not going to work. Obviously, you're going to have swings, bigger swings than only making, $100, $200 every day. But long term, I think it's less stressful. We learn to get less in a day. This consolidation area, this is kind of identifying these patterns that we see over and over. VKTX, look at this is exactly the VKTX move all over again. Getting that consolidation, that 330 area support there, that pre-market support, and then boom, we talked about, over 350, we'd probably get the breakout, and that's what we got. Got the breakout, got the squeeze. This consolidated. You had shorts piling in. You had more people trying to chase it, and then boom, look at that short squeeze again from 380. This is literally just all a big short squeeze. Obviously, you're gonna have people that are trying to chase it for that break over $4 there. Overall, this is really just a short squeeze. People getting basically out of it, thinking that, okay, if this breaks over $4, it's game over kind of thing if I'm short. And that's exactly what happened with AOXN today. You might get one of these t-shirts, you might walk around town, somebody might notice you, and they might say, hey, this guy knows about day trading. So who knows? Maybe it'll be a cool thing. Maybe it'll be a bad thing. Maybe someone want to fight you because they're mad that you hit the bid. I don't know. But I want to give away some of these shirts. Like I said, I'm going to be selling some of these shirts in the future. But for now, I'm going to give away a couple to some of you subscribers, some of you supporters, the real supporters out there, the real people who actually watch this video all the way till the end. So that's how I trick you, You actually got to watch the video so you can win stuff and hit the bid. If you want to win this t-shirt, if you want one of these t-shirts, I only have large and extra large because real men only wear large and extra large shirts. If you're a girl, you can wear a large. We'll figure it out. But maybe you can cut the bottom off or something. I want to give it away. All you guys need to do to enter to win, or really just kind of to get a chance to win, is leave a comment below with just write hit the bid. Just write hit the bid in the comment section below. Look at that. The squeeze is real here, boys. AOXN. Up there to 445 now. But leave a comment below. Just write hit the bid. All you need to do is literally write the comment, hit the bid in the comment section below. Also hit the like button as well. And if you haven't, well, you better subscribe because you need to know when the next video comes out, because I'm going to announce the winners from this comments on this video. I'll announce tomorrow those winners. So, wow. AOXN, is this going to get halted? Is it getting halted? No, not yet. It's going. Now it's up 160%. Oh, my baby Jesus. Look at it just going. Just going here. So if you want to win the t-shirt, just leave a comment below, hit the bid, and I'll pick some winners tomorrow morning in tomorrow's video from the comments in this video. So it's really simple and easy. Leave a comment below, and I will pick the winners tomorrow, and I will talk to you guys then. I hope everybody out there made a ton of money on AOXN. I posted about it on StockTwits this morning. For everybody, if you haven't already, make sure you hit up the StockTwits, hit up my Twitter. AOXN up 100%. Posted about it this morning for people out there who want an idea of what stocks to look at, what stocks are hot. There it is. AOXN proven that even when a stock is up 150%, it can still go to the moon there.